Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dr.ZyBorg and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone SE 2020 model. So this is called the iPhone SE 2020 and not iPhone SE 2 as some would call it. So this is the 128 gigs version in product red, as you can see. The box is pretty minimalistic as always from Apple, and like I said, this is the 128 gigs version and it's product red, right? So yeah, let's get into the box. What we have here is there's a pull tab here, so I'm gonna pull that. Right, and it comes right off. Okay, so that is a box right there, and yeah, the iPhone itself is in red. The branding is in red. Okay, and now let's get into the box. There. So I'm just gonna keep it there for a second. And it says designed by Apple in California. Coming in, we have some paperwork here. Let's see. So it says product red, and yeah, some of the technical specifications are here. There's a SIM ejector tool in the box, and the legendary Apple stickers. Right, so let's just keep this aside. This is going to go back in, otherwise it's not going to be good for my OCD, and this is already getting on my nerves. 1 second, let me just shove this thing in. Yeah, I'm done with that. Keeping it aside, and let's take a look at the phone itself. So this is the phone, and I'm going to take it out of the box. Wow. Keeping it aside, and let's see what we get in the box. So we have the Apple earphones, which are called the AirPods, and these will be coming with the lightning connector, because Apple of course courageously removed the headphone jack back with the iPhone 7. There it is, the lightning connector. And then we have the legendary 5-watt charger. Yeah, unfortunately this is what we still get in the box. It's a 5-watt slow charger, as some would call it, but that's what we get. But the phone does support 18-watt fast charging. And then of course we have the charging cable, the 1-meter cable from Apple, which has the USB-A and lightning connectors. So let's keep all this back in the box, and let's keep the box aside. Now that we've taken a look at all the box contents, let's take a look at the device itself. Here's the phone, and this is product red. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, that's one good looking phone. Okay, now that we're done drooling, let's peel this off, shall we? The wrap is off, and yeah, seriously, that is one good looking phone, and I think we can all agree that this is as pristine as it's gonna be in its entire life. Now let's take an overview. You have the Apple logo at the back, then you have product red, then on this side you have the mute switch, the volume up and down as always, and on top there's nothing. On the other side you have the power button and the SIM tray. Let me just get a SIM ejector tool and pop this thing open real quick. There. Now as you can see here, the SIM tray has support for 1 nano SIM. That's it, no dual SIM, but the device is a dual SIM device, with the other one being an eSIM. Now at the bottom you have the speaker grills and the lightning port. Okay, so basically that's the overview of the device. And now let me just power this up for the first time. This is the first boot. There you have the Apple logo, and yeah, I'm gonna set this thing down and you guys can go through the technical specifications on screen while this thing boots up. The device is now finally set up and the process was fairly simple. If you're an Apple user, you already know how it works. As you can see, my apps are all getting downloaded in the background. That is going to take a few minutes. So guys, this was a quick unboxing and overview of the iPhone SE 2020 product red. I have been using the original iPhone SE ever since it came out, and it's a perfectly good phone even today. I'm just going to keep it side by side so that you guys can have an idea of how much bigger the newer one is. Now this is only an unboxing and a brief overview, and I'll be using the device for the next couple of weeks, and then I will share my thoughts on the device and I will tell you whether this device is for you or not. So that was the video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The Apple event is scheduled for tonight and I'll be updating you guys on that as well. If you like my content, do support the channel by subscribing to it and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and share your thoughts in the comment section down below and let me know what you guys would like to see next. This is Dr. ZyBorg signing out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.